This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, which concept we were dealing with? Yeah, that's what. XML parsers, the types of parsers and which parser we will be using, all those definitions I have provided, right? As I said in yesterday's session, we will be proceeding with DOM parser. What is the full form of DOM? Huh. What is the full form of DOM? Sushma, what happened, ma? Not responding? Document object model. Yes. This is a parser which helps us in performing all kinds of operation, either read, write, update, delete, everything. This will allow you to perform the operation. That's why this particular parser is preferred. Already where and all we will perform the operations, everything in detail I have explained in yesterday's session. Now we have to see the examples with respect to your DOM parser. Clear, right? Okay. Hello, Sindhu. Hello, Sindhu.
Yes, yes.
This is not Java class, ma. This is Python class. After 1 hour, your class.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, see here. Here, first I will not include this attribute. Just a simple plain XML file I'll create. Whenever you are dealing with a plain XML file, one sec. Anyway, this is not for, okay, anyway, this is for writing the content. So you don't need to worry about this. So see here, we are importing XML e3.elementary. You can check it out. We are importing elementary. Yesterday itself I have mentioned DOM parser, different technology, they have defined that particular DOM parser as different names. Same way, even our Python people, they have defined DOM parser as elementary. Is that clear? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? Yes. Now, instead of me referring this one as elementary and a bigger name, in short, I'm providing short name as XML. Is that clear? Next, you can see I'm calling create XML function. I'm calling create XML function, which is there over here with test1.xml as parameter. So this will be assigned to this file name. Next, once I have assigned to file name, what I am trying to do over here, say root equal to xml.element users. That means I'm creating one tag. That tag name is users. Is that clear? I'm creating one tag. That tag name is users. Next, I'm creating one more tag, that is user. You can see I'm creating one more tag, that is user. where for this particular element I'm referring the child as children1. I'm referring the object as children. Okay, so first root tag we have created, then child tag we have created. Then what I'm trying to do, I'm appending children to root tag, because as per the hierarchy, first root tag, that is parent tag, will be there, then under that child tag will be there. Correct, right? Yes or no? Okay, next. So we have created users root. User is a child for that particular root tag. Okay, this creation, whatever we have did so far, this happened within the memory only. Got my point, right? This happened within the memory only. What I'm trying to do over here, tree equal to xml dot element tree root. That means I'm pointing to root tag. So from the root tag, I can traverse. Traverse means I can visit each and every element. I can read the content from each and every element, and I can write it. Otherwise, I can print it. I can do whatever I want. So this tree element, this tree variable is pointing to your root tag. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Next, with open file name. Already file name we have taken this one as parameter. With open that file name in write binary. Here we have to know what is this binary. Why this binary came into picture. Previous examples, if you just check it out, CSV. And before that, we have seen text files. Correct, right? In that, we didn't use this character B. Why we didn't use that character B in the sense? That is general text files. That general text files will not have any proper alignment, and if you don't have proper alignment also, not an issue. Remember, when it comes to upcoming files like JSON files, YAML files, and this XML files, alignment matters a lot. Got my point, right? Alignment matters a lot. So for aligning the content properly, as well as reading the content in the same aligned fashion, we have to go in binary format. That is what? Read bytes, write bytes. Read binary, write binary we will use. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So here I am using write binary, where this file I am referring as fh right now. Instead of fh, I can give whatever I want over there. So with that fh, I can do the operations on this file. Now see, tree dot write. That means in tree, I have got the content from root element, right? That complete content I am writing into fh. Then I am closing my fh. Is that clear so far? Whatever is there in tree, I am shifting it into fh. Then I am closing my fh. Okay, na? Okay. Now if I run this, just check it out. If test1.xml is not there, it will create, and it will create users, then user tags under that. Let me show you how that looks. Test1.xml. Yeah, here. See, users, under that user tag is created. As this child tag doesn't have any content, it doesn't have any data or something, that opening and closing is happening in a single line only. Is that clear? Okay. Anybody has any doubts on this? Sushma, Shashi? If this one is clear, then we can go for other things very easily. Please reply fastly. Are you guys with me? Only Ramesh is pinging. Sushma, is that clear, ma? Okay. Once tell me. Okay. Yeah, if you want again, no problem, ma. You tell me. I can explain. See, first we are importing element tree as XML. That's it. So right now, instead of me calling element tree, in the shortcut, I will call it as XML. Next, I have defined one function over here where I have written my logic. What is that logic? We'll see later. See, here I am calling my function with test1.xml as parameter. So this test1.xml will be assigned to file name variable. Is that clear so far? Okay. Next, first thing, what I'm trying to do, I'm creating one tag, that is XML element, whose name is users. Next, I'm creating one more tag whose name is user, where the second tag which I have created, that I am appending as child to first tag. So users will be your parent tag, user will be your child tag. Is that clear? Okay. So whatever the content I have created so far, that is just created in the memory. That will not be available in the file. So what I will do, from the first tag, from root tag onwards, whatever the content is there, everything, see XML dot elementary. What is this XML dot elementary? This is your DOM parser which reads the content from your root tag. From the root tag, whatever the content is there, that will be stored into tree variable. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Next, I'm opening this particular file in write binary as fh. That means this file, whatever I'm opening, that file will be referred as fh over here. So whenever I want to perform any operations on that file, I can take the help of this fh only. Then you can see tree dot write. That means whatever is there in this tree variable, I'm writing into this fh. So content whatever I have prepared over here, everything will be shifted into fh. That means indirectly we are writing into file. After that, I am closing my file. Clear, right? Okay. Once if you execute this, you can see users is your parent tag, user is your child tag, which gets generated. Okay now? Sashi, you can
Hello.
ping me.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, fine. Now we'll go for next one. Class division. Next, XML1. So check out this one. This is same. We are importing XML.elementary. Got my point, right? As XML. Then create XML file. We are calling create XML file with test.xml as parameter. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now this test.xml will be stored into file name variable. You can check it out. Test.xml will be stored into file name variable. Next thing, what we are doing over here, xml.element. That means again, like our previous example only, we are creating users. Then I'm creating user. I'm appending user to users. Is that clear? Like our previous example only. We didn't do any extra change over here. Okay now? Okay. Yes. Next, what I have did, I have created one sub element. See, previously it was element. This time we are creating sub element for children one. That means under user, I am creating one more element, that is ID. Where for that element, I am creating the text as 1, 2, 3. Is that clear? Yes or no? I am creating the text as 1, 2, 3. Next, for the children user, I am creating one more sub element as name, where I am assigning the text as Shubham. Is it clear? Hello, are you guys with me? Yeah. So parent tag is users, under that child is user. Under this child, we have got two childs, ID and name. First child text is 123, second child text is Shubham. Then again, as usual, from the root tag, I'm reading all the content, storing into tree. I'm opening the file in write binary. I'll write the content into this particular file. This is same. Till here also it was same. Only this 4 lines we have added extra. Clear, right? Now, if I run this program, you can check it out. In which file? Test.xml. You can see users, under that user, under that ID, under that name, user, users. Everything is available. Clear, right? Okay. Like this, whatever the content we want to read it, write it, everything is possible. Okay, na? Are you guys with me? Okay. Can I have the next one? Now let me show you the next concept. So here if you observe the next one, what are we doing over here? Same, we are importing XML elementary. Okay, next, for that particular, we are that particular elementary, I'm creating a reference as XML. Next, What are we doing over here? You can check it out. We are calling update XML with test.xml as parameter. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yeah. With test.xml, I'm passing as parameter. So this is xml.elementary. This time what we are doing, we want to update the value. Okay, now. So I have to read the content from that. Tree equal to xml.elementtree file name. Whatever the file name I have passed to that particular file, I'm pointing. Then tree.getRoot. GetRoot in the sense whatever the root tag is there, that particular root tag, I mean users, will be retrieved, that will be stored into root variable. Is that clear? Yes or no? That will be stored into root variable. Next, root.iter id. That means from the root tag, I will be traversing each and every element. This element like this. I'll be traversing each and every element until I find the element id. Is that clear? Until I find the element id. That id element, once I found, that id tag information will be stored into salary variable. For that particular id tag, I'm updating the text as 1000. Clear, right? Yes or no? I'm updating the text as 1000. Hello? Are you guys with me? Yeah. Then again from the root tag, I'll be reading the content, storing into tree variable. I'll open updated underscore test.xml in right binary. From the root tag, everything I'll be writing into this particular updated underscore test.xml. Now if you just check it out, updated underscore test.xml, see, same content will be copied, but id has been updated to 1000. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. See, one important thing, whether you have observed it or not, as we are using right binary, the content, whatever we have copied from this file to this file, see, you got same indentation. The alignment also will be in the same pattern only. Clear, right? Okay. This is what your content file reading as well as updating and writing it back. Clear, right? Okay. Next. We'll go for next one. Now, I will do one thing over here. For this, I will add one attribute also, some attribute, because my next program id uh, some extension value. Okay, something like this. We need some attributes, so that in my next program, how to capture that particular attributes and its values we can see. Now, see here. This is as usual. Then here we are calling dummy function with test.xml. One of my student has asked, should I need to give all the time you are using update XML only? So should I need to give the function name as update XML, create XML, this one only? He started asking. So for this time, what I have did, I have created the function name as dummy. Clear, right? Okay. Then what I have did, test.xml, I have passed to file name. As usual, here I am pointing to your element tree. That means our root tag. What is the root tag? Users will be pointed. Here tt.getRoot. I am retrieving the root tag and I am printing the root tag over here. So it will be printing users. In the next line, if you just check it out, tt.getRoot, I am retrieving the root tag, storing into root variable. Observe this one very carefully. This is what substitution is all about. This is what substitution is all about. Now you can see tag equal to percentage s. This is what substitution character which is expecting some value. See, this is what first input that will be replacing this percentage s. Is that clear? Yes or no? Here, this is what the string. In that string, we have got some substitutional characters. The substitutional characters will be replaced with these values. So tag equal to percentage s. This percentage s will be replaced with this root tag. So it will display tag equal to users, comma, attribute equal to this percentage s. Second percentage s will be replaced with second parameter. So whatever the attributes are there, that will be printed over here. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Then I'm printing hyphen into 40. That means I'm printing hyphen for 40 times. Let me remove all this. Yeah, I'm printing hyphen for 40 times. Then I'm printing some text. Then again I'm printing hyphen for 40 times. Let me run this and show you the result first. Then I can add other things. See, my root tag is users. Next, tag equal to, that means root tag will be replacing this percentage s. You can see tag equal to users, it is displaying. Attribute equal to attributes will be displaying. ID equal to 1, etc demo. Then hyphen for 40 times, again some text, hyphen for 40 times. Is that clear so far? Everyone? Yes? Okay. Next. So whatever we have did so far, this is just for retrieving the information, attribute and tags. Next, we are going to see how to get the children. See, root dot get children. From the root tag, whatever the childrens are there, all the childrens, see, we are retrieving, storing into users. Clear, right? We are retrieving all the childrens and we are storing into users. First children, that means first user we are storing into this. That first children's get children, that means first children is user. Under that, whatever the childrens are there, that is what is this, ID and name, that we will retrieve. First children, second children, like this all the childrens will be stored into this one as a list. Is that clear? And under users, whatever the childrens are there, that we have retrieved over here, that is user. Under user, whatever childrens are there, that we have retrieved over here. Now one by one, first children, So what is the first children tag and its text will be displayed. See, this percentage s will be replaced with children tag. This percentage s will be replaced with children text. Next, second children, again second children tag, second children text. Like this, all the children tags and the text will be displayed over here. One sec. See, ID equal to 123, name equal to Shubham. Is that clear? Yes or no? Hello. Shashi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is how we can perform operations on XML file. Okay, now? Now, write down heading YAML. What is meant by YAML? Sushma, what about you, ma? No, sir. Okay. Fine. Write down heading YAML. YAML full form is yet another markup language. Yet another markup language. This is a language which is meant for holding the data in key and value format. Got my point, right? Yes. This is meant for holding the data in key and value format. How this particular, what do you say, YAML will be there, how to perform the operations is what we are going to see right now. See, you can execute your YAML programs here also, but what I have did, I was executing it in my other folder, so I have saved all my programs in that location only. Clear, right? Of course, you can execute it in this location also. That's what I'm telling you. Don't get tense that it won't execute in PyCharm. Don't think like that. Okay, fine. So I have saved all my programs somewhere here. See, I'll go to this location. First thing what you have to do is just type pip install pyyaml. That's it. Only this much you have to do. Even in PyCharm, you can do this. Go to PyCharm terminal. Under terminal, you can click pip install pyyaml. Whenever you are installing pyyaml, make sure your internet is available. Is that clear? Okay, fine. Now, how this YAML files will be there, how to read the content, how to perform the operations on YAML, all those things we are going to see right now. Okay, first, items.yaml. I'll see the file name, it is items.yaml. See the extension of that file also. Extension is YAML. Is that clear? Okay, I'm opening this. See this YAML file, raincoat, it is holding the value. This is what the key value is 1, coins 5, books 23, spectacles 2, chairs 12, pens 6. Like this, we have stored keys and values over here. Here, right? Okay, now? Yes or no? Okay. Now, you can see we are importing YAML. That means YAML module I am importing over here with open items.yaml as f. Now, f will act like a what you say alias for items.yaml file, so that with the help of f I can do whatever the operations I want in items.yaml file. Is that clear? Next, this YAML function, this YAML module will provide a function that is load. With the help of this what you say f alias, I'm pointing to items.yaml to load complete content. Is that clear? With the help of this f and yaml.load, I'm loading the complete content from items.yaml. See, the loader also I'm mentioning. Loader equal to yaml.fullloader. Full loader, and we have got a token loader. Like this, different types of loaders are there. Next, we will be seeing that. What this full loader will be doing, it will be reading the complete content from your YAML file. Okay, now? Okay, we are reading complete content, storing into data variable. That data we are printing here. Simple program. See? YAML 1. See? Complete content. It has displayed here. Clear, right? Yes or no? Ramesh? Shashi? Yeah. Just we are reading and we are printing it. Other than that, nothing else we have done. Next. Here, what are we doing? Same. Here we are pointing to data.yaml, yaml.load all. That means here I am using complete load all function to load the content from data.yaml. Again, I am using yaml.fullloader. Okay, happy. The complete content available in that particular data.xml I have read, stored into docs variable. Is that clear so far? Yes or no? Yeah. Next thing. What is there in this data.yaml? We are going to see now. as we have seen items.yaml previously, one key, only one value was available. But if you go for this, which one? Data.yaml. See here, you will be having one key, multiple values. One key, multiple values. Is that clear? Yes or no? And one more thing, this values, whatever the values we are holding over here, all the values, you need to follow proper indentation. YAML, it will be very space sensitive, case sensitive also. Remember, the spaces before hyphen, as we are providing this one as a value to this cities, before hyphen one space should be there, after hyphen one space should be there. No, if you are not providing the indentation spaces properly, automatically that will raise an error. Clear, right? Now, so we are loading that. Next, docs. This is one doc, this is second doc. We are loading the docs. First doc we are loading. What is doc item? That means this is what completely doc item. What is doc key? What are the values? I'm retrieving. I'll be printing the key and its values. Next, second doc, its key and its values will be printed over here. See, the key and its values. The key and its values. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Like this, either if you have one key, one value, one key, multiple values, everything is possible to retrieve by taking the help of this YAML module. Okay, now? Next. So what are we doing over here? You can check it out. We are importing YAML module. Next, we have got list of dictionaries. Next, that list of dictionaries, that is JSON data actually. That JSON data I'm passing as parameter to YAML.dump. Whenever I pass it as parameter, automatically your proper YAML representation will be generated. See, I'll show you. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Just dump function is sufficient. In this example, just we have dumped it into, how will know that it is JSON data? See, here we have got list. This is what your dictionary. If you have list and dictionary combinations, that is what your JSON. Only list and dictionary combinations. Got my point, right? Okay. Anyway, after YAML, that concept is there. Next. Now, next thing what we are going to see is, right now what we are doing, we are just dumping that particular result into console. Now, next example, I will show you this particular result. I will write it into a file. How to write it into a file? Let me show you. Say, same JSON data. We are opening users.yaml in write mode and using f yaml.dump this user data I'm dumping into this f. Is that clear? So the complete content, whatever you have over here, JSON data, complete content will be written into that users.yaml file. Go and check it out. One sec. Which one was that? Users.yaml. See the alignment. It will be aligning the data in proper order. Clear, right? Yeah. Can I have the next one? Ramesh, do you have any questions? Okay, fine. Next, the last type is tokens with respect to YAML. So far, whatever we have read in your YAML, that particular content, if you just check it out, we will be reading just the content. We didn't read the properties of that particular content. Correct, right? Now, how to read the properties of that particular file is what we are going to see right now. Okay. For that, we have to learn about tokens. Right. Okay. No. Tokens will be next to next concept. Not this concept. Next concept. This is sorting only. Okay. See here. This is we are loading complete content and we are printing the data over here. But here also, the data whatever we have got, we are dumping based on the keys sorting. Say sort underscore keys. Here we are sorting the data based on the keys available. Then we are storing into sorted variable. That sorted data we will be printing. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yeah. We don't have any concept like sorted underscore values. We have got only keys format. So if I print this, you'll get the result. This is your original data. After sorting, you can see based on the keys, first books came, then chairs, coins, pens, like this, everything will be displayed over here. Clear, right? Everyone. By default, sorted underscore keys will be false, where we are enabling that I want the data to be sorted. That's why you are getting the result in that fashion. Clear, right? Next. Can we sort using, that's what, as I said, there is no sorted underscore values. We have only one option, that is sort underscore keys. Because values will be duplicated, values can be of different types. Like this, so many problems will be there. So they will provide this option of sorting based on the values. Okay. And that too, multiple values also will be there, sir. Remember this point. Now see this one. This is token scanning. See, previously we were using load function only. Right now, I'm not using load function. I'm using scan function, YAML.scan, where I will be scanning the complete content of this particular full loader. Remember, I will be scanning the complete content of this particular full loader. The complete content, whatever I have scanned, I am storing into data variable. From this data, I will be retrieving first data, I'll print. Second data, I'll print. Now, what is this scanning? What is this token is all about? We'll see now. Which file we are scanning? Items.yaml. Okay. Let me keep that items.yaml also. See, this is your key, this is your value. Key, value. Like this, each and every key and its values are there. Correct, right? How this will scan, you see. See. Stream start token encoding none. That means it is not using any encoding. Block mapping start token. It is starting its token. Key token. What is key token? You can see. Scalar token. It is a plain text. It doesn't have any styling. So key token name is raincoat. Its value token. Scalar token, plain text, styling none. Value for this raincoat is 1. Like this, again, next key token is coins. Value for that coins is 5. Books 23. Spectacles 2. Chairs 12. Like this, all those things we will be scanning. Finally, we are ending the token reading. Is that clear? Like this, complete information about your tokens, like whether it is a key token, which type of encoding you have used, whether it is a text, numeric, everything you can get it by the help of this one. Okay, na? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. This is what the basic operations what we can perform with respect to YAML. Next, how we can take the help of this YAML in other configurations file. In advanced level, we will be learning anyway. This is just a basic reading, all those things. Next, in tomorrow's session, we are going to start up with JSON. What is JSON? How the JSON data will be there? How to parse that particular JSON data from a URL is what we are going to see. Okay?
యా శ్రీధర్ నాకు ఒక డౌట్.
Yeah, tell me.
యాక్చువల్ గా నాది ఒక రిపోర్ట్ ఉంది అరౌండ్ అది 10 లైన్స్ అండ్ 10 రోస్ అండ్ 10 కాలమ్స్ లో వస్తుంది ఆటోమేట్ చేస్తే. సైన్డ్ అన్సైన్డ్ అని 2 కేటగిరీస్ ఉంటాయి. అది సపరేట్ గా ఫిల్టర్ చేయగలమా?
Can you please send me that? Let me check.
ఓకే.
Okay, na?
ఓకే.
What is
అండ్
your
వన్ మోర్ థింగ్,
you can tell me in mail or message. I can look into that and I can tell you.
ఓకే. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, పైథాన్ ఫర్ పెనట్రేషన్ టెస్టింగ్ ఏమన్నా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చెప్పగలరా చూసి?
Penetration testing in the sense that is different again. That is out of our syllabus.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
If you want, I can help you with the documentation on that. You can go through.
ఓకే.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you tomorrow at the same time. Bye.